Wix email marketing revolves around three key elements: contacts, automations, and campaigns. Contacts are your email list, manageable through imports, Wix forms, and integrations. Segment contacts by demographics or behavior, such as loyal customers. AI helps identify inactive contacts. Always get opt-in to avoid spam filters. Automations are triggered email sequences, such as welcome series or abandoned cart reminders. Use Wix's drag and drop builder and conditional logic. Campaigns are one-off or scheduled email sends for promotions or newsletters. Ensure deliverability by authenticating your domain. Track metrics like opens and clicks. Focus on valuable content and test everything. AI is transforming Wix email marketing. Tools like Wix AI Email Assistant draft personalized content, saving time. Expect hyper-personalization with dynamic content, boosting engagement. Omnichannel integration is also on the rise, combining email with SMS and social media for unified journeys. Focus on sustainability by optimizing email sizes. Data-driven decisions are key, with advanced analytics and AI for churn prediction coming soon. As mobile opens dominate, Wix prioritizes mobile-first design and voice-activated creation for accessibility.